This video shows how to clean the interior and exterior parts of Xerox C410 color printer. To avoid activating buttons and menus when cleaning the printer, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to power off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Slightly dampen a soft, lint-free cloth with water or glass cleaner. To remove fingerprints and smudges, clean the touchscreen and control panel with a soft, damp, lint-free cloth. Use a soft, damp, lint-free cloth to clean the outside of the output tray, paper trays, and other exterior areas of your printer. Remove tray 1 from the printer. Wipe to clean both the paper tray feed rolls using a damp, soft, lint-free cloth. Insert the tray back into the printer. Plug in both ends of your power cord and power on the printer.